Okay, here's the RunCam Split 2 in this orange box, and it is powered through the USB cable. The problem is that I get a red LED and nothing else. So it's powered on, red LED is there, the beeping sound was from the flight controller, no beeps are coming from this one, and there is no image either in the goggles, only this gray thing. If I disconnect the battery, then this goes to the static, like so, and the camera is not recording and it's not showing an image either. Once again, beta flight that comes from the flight controller. The other LEDs are not working. Once I managed to power it on, I could make a few videos, and I also managed to update the firmware, but after half an hour it's back to this state and it's not working. The buttons don't do anything. If I press and hold the power button, it's not turning off or on. If I press both of the buttons, that should reset it, but it's not doing anything. The blue LED should come on when it's recording, but it's not recording, and I cannot power it off either. When I hold it, it should power off. Nothing. Let's disconnect this one. LED is off. Connect it back. LED is on, but no image, no recording, no sounds, nothing.